Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join and leave groups on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll be demonstrating this on my iPhone using the Roblox app, so if you're on your phone, you can follow along with me there. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign in to your Roblox account. Once you're signed in, tap the More button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. Scroll down until you see Communities and tap on it. Because Roblox has changed the group name to Communities, so now Communities works same as groups. From the Communities section, you can either search for a specific communities by name if you already know what you're looking for, or you can scroll through and explore different communities until you find one that interests you. Once you find a group you want to join, just tap on that group to open its information page. Then tap the Join Communities button. After that, a message will pop up confirming that you've successfully joined the group. If you want to leave a communities that you've already joined, it's just as easy. Go back into that communities page, tap the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and then tap Leave Communities. Confirm that you want to leave, and that's it. It's super simple. So that's basically how you can join and leave groups on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.